sketchy over one of them.
That's all right. Hey, that's how you know when you're pushing at the limit. You know, that's when you know, like, okay, that's not no, and then you adjust. You know. I saw you behind John for a couple laps. I was like, oh, he's gonna pass on the next one. And I was like, oh, he's fucking with him now. He's fucking with him.
So it was a matter of like just traffic bunching up.
Yeah.
I was actually gonna pit.
Oh, okay.
But he was like, no, stay on because it looks like it's clearing up. And then we stayed on, and there was like
shit.
It's all good. Still, it gives you a second to take a step back.
Yeah.
Are you filming? Oh,
yeah, I am. That's all right. No, I'm just.
Gives you a second to like take a step back and talk about.
Yeah. Use that time to just kind of slow down, learn your line, and then once it clears up, fucking send it, you know. But keeping the same line, obviously. But you'll get your own line. Like when you go solo, I mean, the line will change, but they're teaching you like the basic line now. But every car just has a different.
He's having me like dive into the turns instead of like where everybody goes wide and hooks it.
Yeah.
He's like, no, fuck that, stay straight.
Yeah, nice. Good.
Yeah,
That's fucking awesome. That is good to hear, buddy. Brother.
Pass.
Yeah. So it's like a yeah. The fun classes watch like okay.
He's like, yeah, go ahead and let him die, and then he passes. He's like,
Cheap cars are more disposable.
yeah,
It's much more interesting racing. Yeah. Cool.
How'd it go?
That went good. Awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Soft rods cars.
Huh?
He's there. I was just sitting there.
dude,
chilling.
you were pretty fast in some of those turns. I mean, I was stuck behind you, and he's like, all right, let's just back off him, because there's no way you're gonna pass all of them.
I thought he was gonna pass you next round. When I saw him behind you for a couple laps, I was like, oh, maybe he's fucking with him. Then. That's what I thought. I was sure.
I wish I had a GoPro on the front of mine, because you were absolutely on 3 wheels. It was like,
Oh yeah. It felt like it, dude. I was pushing. I told you this round, dude. I was pushing.
Yeah.
But I was coming in too hot on some of the turns, like the one that you should be taking pretty slow. It's like
Yeah. Well, that's how you.
and then it cuts right in.
That's how you test and learn what the car can do, what it can. So
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, like that's you know. He's probably like, yeah, you probably want to break earlier.
He was like, yeah, that it's you have to take it like a lot slower than it seems like. And
Yeah.
Yeah. And I just kept doing it.
I'm still braking way too early on the ridge pass and the long straight.
Oh, okay.
So I'll let off of it,
Yeah.
and then I'll come to it, and then I'll put the brakes on for what I feel like is really hard. He's like harder, and then it just throws you.
That's
into
what
the
he
stick.
wants. Yeah, dude, it's on or off. Especially in that. It doesn't matter. Like if I'm all the way on it, it's just like.
It's like, what do you want me to do, Daddy?
But it's fun though.
Yeah.
It's great. I could tell though that like I don't know if it was because I was just like going faster and getting more comfortable with it.
Yeah.
But it felt like it was starting to slide a little more.
Oh yeah.
Dude,
Well, it means you're pushing it.
I was
That
pushing it.
your one wheel was like this high off the ground. It was around here, coming off of turn 1. I think it was going into turn 2.
Yeah.
Because then you have a longer turn 2, and then it breaks into that S. But it was like you were on the edge of the track, and the thing was like.
Defying G-forces a little bit.
I think it was even. I think it made like a screeching noise, and I just started laughing, and he was like, "What?" I was like, "Nothing. That's my buddy."
Oh my god, that's awesome.
My buddy trying to pull some Italian job moves.
Yeah, shit. Hey, we got the right car to try it in. Phew, little fitty.